guys, what's up? I am Nika and welcome to my channel Mihiks. So I'm really excited for this video in particular because we are going to DIY something really interesting. So you must all be aware about Fenty Body Lava Illuminizer. It is an amazing product. Like, that's what the reviews say, that everyone's raging about it, and I'm a little late to the party, I know, but I mean, I can't get over the product. And whenever I see the video of Rihanna applying the foundation on her shoulder, I just go gaga over her. So I thought that I need this product in my life, but it is an expensive product. It is the product costs around $59, which is worth 4,000 Indian rupees, and which is very expensive. So I found a dupe for this product and it works exactly the same, I feel. I mean, the results are amazing and I think you should try this out too. So let's get started. So to make this Fenty Body Illuminizer dupe, we need 3 products. The first product has to be any highlighter or shimmer dust powder. I will link the options down in the description box below, so do check that out. Secondly, we'll be needing any body oil. I'm choosing Parachute because it's good for your skin as well. And then lastly, we need an empty spray bottle. Now first we are going to take the highlighter and open it up. Okay. Failing. No, not really. Okay, so I'll add in the highlighter in the container. So next in, I'm going to add in any body oil into the container. Next, I'm going to mix in this mixture. Next in, I'm going to add this mixture in an empty spray bottle. So whatever highlighter is left in the container, we'll add a little more oil to it. Mix this and add this again to the container. Step, just take the spray bottle and just shake it really well so that all the lumps in it are dissolved. DIY of the Fenty Body Illuminizer dupe. I hope you all give this a try, and please let me know in the comment sections below whenever you give this a try. I would love to know. And from this week I'll be uploading videos on a weekly basis at least, so I'm very excited about that. So I'll see you the next week, that is. And do subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my social media handles. I've linked them in the description box below. And have a great week ahead. Bye.